Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing a purge valve on my 2008 Saturn Vue with a 3.6 liter GM motor in it. So some of the symptoms that you'll get with a bad purge valve is poor fuel economy and hard to start. And right now mine's doing, I think, both. In the morning I start it up, it works just fine, no problem, starts right up. You go for a drive to the grocery store and you come out of the grocery store, it wants to crank and no start, and then the second time you go to crank it'll fire up. So after doing some research and talking with some friends of mine that work at the dealership, the most likely scenario is your purge valve. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's a pretty simple process. You got two hoses and a connector and a rubber mount. So my lovely daughter is going to hold the camera and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Okay, point the camera down here. You gotta get real close. Stand up on it. You gotta put the camera like right here so they can see. That's okay. Alright, so the purge valve on these 3.6s is in the back by the firewall on the other side of the intake. It's pretty easy to see once you pull the black cover off here. So what you're gonna do is pull the little plastic clip off for the wire. You got this one clip you just push down and pull out. And then on this side here, you've got a little lever tab that you gotta pull out, and it might be easier to show you guys once I get it all out here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. There you go. So on this, shine the light right on it. Shine the camera right on it. Get real close. You want to see this? You push this out. So when it's connected, that little lever, you push up and over like that, and then you can pull the tube off. And then this comes off here, and then this clip on the bottom, you're just gonna push in and pull out.
Dad, can you tap it?
That's okay. Like that. You push in this, and then you pull it off. And that's it. That's how you pull the purge valve off. And then putting it back on is just as easy. You take and push the connectors back on each side in the same way you took them off. And then remount it. And then remount it back on to the mount right there. And then once you got the hoses on and it's remounted, put the connector back on until you hear it click, just like that. And that is the replacement of a purge valve on a 3.6 liter GM engine. This I got from Rock Auto. It was, I don't know, don't show them all of it. This was, gosh, how much did I pay for this? It was like 40 bucks. I'm surprised they didn't show me the price on this. Well, anyway, I'll link to it in the description below. But that's gonna do it for today. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. And we'll see you guys in the next one.